this video, I will show you how to cancel a subscription on the Whop app. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are logged into the account where you have a subscription on. And after that, you just need to go ahead and click on this profile section in the left bar. So go ahead and click on this. And then from here, you need to click on memberships. And once you do that, you will see all of your active memberships in here. So that will be listed in this view. And as you can see, I do not have any at this moment. But in order to cancel a subscription, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you are on the active tab or one time or awaiting approval. Then you need to click on that subscription. Then you will get the options of this subscription. And then all the way at the bottom, you will find this option saying end membership or cancel membership. And once you click on this, you will be asked to confirm and enter a reason why you want to cancel your subscription. And from there, you can just fill in the reason why you want to cancel it. And that will often offer you a discount. But if you are still sure that you want to cancel, you just need to go ahead and click on the reason. And if you do not have a reason, you can also click on other and then just fill in no reason in the box down below. And after that, you can just go ahead and click on confirm, and then your subscription will be canceled on Whop. So this is how you do it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.